welcome back to the Human Body Care blog in the section The Fate of My Food with your host Karina, Camacho, López, and Gallegos. So first of all, we're going to be talking about enzymes and their action in chemical reactions. So first, what are enzymes? So enzymes help speed up processes in the chemical reactions in the body. They are in charge of binding molecules and alter them in very specific ways. They are used in respiration, digestion, muscle, and nerve function, but we're going to focus on digestion. Enzymes are made up of proteins that fall into different shapes. The chemical reactions that occur in our body depend on how the work that the enzymes put in. So in the digestive system, enzymes help break down larger molecules into smaller ones so that the body can use them as energy or fuel. Then every time a cell divides and the DNA is copied, the enzymes unwind those DNA coils and then copy the information. Then the enzymes that are located in the liver, they break down the toxins in the body, and to perform this action, a lot of enzymes are required to process. Now we're going to be talking about the enzymes that are involved in chemical digestion and of carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. So for carbohydrates, there's the salivary enzyme amylase that starts the breakdown of food starches into maltose and disaccharides. From the esophagus to the stomach, nothing really happens because they don't produce enzymes, so no digestion of carbohydrates takes place. Then the disaccharides are broken down into monosaccharides by enzymes called maltases, sucrases, and lactases. Maltase breaks down maltose into glucose. Then for the lipids, in the pancreatic juices contain enzymes called lipases that break down lipids. So if a lipid is in the time aggregates into a larger globule, there's no room for the lipases to act on the lipids. So by making an emulsion, bile salts increases the surface area in which the lipids fold, so lipases can act on the lipids and digest them. Then for the proteins, there is the pepsin plays a huge role in the digestion of protein breaking, downstream protection in the peptides, in the dominant trypsin and elastase and chymotrypsin that act on the peptides by reducing them into smaller sizes, into smaller ones. Then the breakdown of the peptides to amino acid depend off enzymes called dipeptides.
In this blog, we are also explaining you the definitions of several concepts such as minerals, vitamins, glucose, amino acids, glycerol, fatty acids, and these last four. We also explain the absorption of each one in the digestion and in the cells. And in the part of the vitamins, we also explain you the function of each one and the foods where you can get it. And if you want more information, we are also leaving you some links and sites you can visit so you can improve your diet and know what are you taking and the nutrimental value of all that you're eating.
We've also included information about each mineral. So in the blog you can see the functions each mineral has, and it's very interesting to see that all the minerals have several functions. None of them have only one, which is why it's very important for all of them for our health. We've also included food sources, so you are aware what mineral are you taking when you're eating a certain food, or what food to take in specific when you want to consume a certain mineral. We also included a flowchart about digestion. So the flowchart in this blog specifically is about eating scrambled eggs, which contain lot of protein. So this flowchart is a very good example of how digestion happens with a specific food, because I think all the time we see digestion as in general and not targeted at a specific food. So thank you very much for listening to our podcast. If you want to learn something new or expand your knowledge on any topic we've talked about, please go check out our blog. And well, thank you very much for listening. Bye!